Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use flyover feature on Apple Maps. The first thing you want to do is go into Apple Maps, and the flyover feature is available for majority of the major cities in the world. For example, if I should type in New York or Melbourne, you will see it. For example, New York, and you will see the option flyover. You can simply tap on that, and you can see that it is loading up, and from here you can tap on start tour if you like, or you can simply use your fingers to move along. And this is a very cool feature to me. I don't know about you, and you can see it right there. You'll be able to experience a flyover feature, so it gives you an experience like you're in an helicopter or an airplane, as you can see here. Hope you found this helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.